which point 2, 1, 3, 3, or 0, 1 is closest to the line with point normal form, negative 6, 1, dotted with x minus 2, 6 equals 0. Okay. So we know the formula for finding distance with point normal form. Okay. We take the absolute value of just plugging our points in for that x, and then dividing by the length of the normal. Now, since we're going to have to do this a few times, let's work out the length of the normal ahead of time. So our normal vector here is negative 6, 1. And we know how to find length, square root of the sum of squares here. So square root 37. And that'll be the denominator for all the distances that we work out here. Okay? So now we just need to go to each one of our points. 2, 1, 3, 3. 0, 1, and plug them into the expression. So we'll have the normal vector dotted with the difference of our point and the point that we're given, so in this case 2, 6. And it'll be over the length of the normal, but we know that that's 37. We'll just set each of these up and then we'll simplify them. And now, since the denominator is the same, the way to tell which of these is going to be largest, wait, do we want largest or closest? Closest. So we want the smallest distance, the smallest value. The way to tell which is the smallest is to take a look at the smallest numerator. So we actually, if we had realized that, didn't need to work out the 37, but that's okay. All right, so 2, 1 minus 2, 6 is going to be 0, negative 5. 0, negative 5 dotted with negative 6, 1 is going to be negative 5. So the first one is a distance of 5 over root 37 away from our line. Okay. Our next one, to simplify, 3, 3 minus 2, 6 is going to be 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. And now the dot product of that with negative 6, 1 is going to be negative 6 plus negative 3. So we'll get an absolute value of negative 9 over root 37. 9 over root 37, which, because they've got the same denominator, is further away than this point here. 5 is less than 9. Let's check our last one here. So 0, 1 minus 2, 6 is negative 2, negative 5. Dot product there, negative 6 times negative 2 is going to be 12, plus 5 times negative 1, negative 5 there. And so that'll be an absolute value of 7. And so this point is a distance of 7 over root 37 away from the line. So the closest point is 2, 1. And it is a distance of 5 over root 37 away from the given line.